Beetles may look small, but don't be fooled. These insects are some of nature's greatest survivors. From super strength to explosive defense mechanisms, they've adapted in the wild for over 270 million years. Get ready to uncover mind-blowing facts about these incredible insects. You won't look at beetles the same way again. 1. Biggest bug family. Beetles make up 40% of all insects, with over 350,000 known species, and scientists keep discovering more. 2. Super strong. The horned dung beetle can lift over 1,000 times its own body weight. That's like a human lifting 6 elephants. 3. Flashy lights. Fireflies are actually beetles. They create bioluminescent light to attract mates or warn predators. 4. Indestructible armor. The diabolical ironclad beetle has an exoskeleton so tough, it can survive being run over by a car. 5. Masters of disguise. Some beetles mimic ants, wasps, or even bird droppings to fool predators. 6. Water lovers. Diving beetles trap air under their wings, letting them breathe underwater like tiny scuba divers. 7. Explosive defense. Bombardier beetles shoot boiling hot chemical spray from their abdomen to escape danger. 8. Ancient survivors. Beetles have been around for 270 million years, thriving even before dinosaurs. 9. Planet cleaners. Dung beetles help recycle waste, keeping ecosystems clean and balanced. 10. Leaf cutter experts. Some beetles cut leaves into perfect circles for their nests, nature's tiny architects.